Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to yet another exciting day here in Kuala Lumpur. Whoa, that was close. Matera had better keep his eyes on the road if he wants to stand a chance at claiming today's title. Today's main event, the Nasi Lemak Sprint. With over 100 meters of treacherous pothole-riddled roads, this course is a challenge for even the toughest of cars. Here comes the competition. Looks like today's contest is gonna be tough. Wait, what's this? We have a new contender. It's Nasi. Matera is really gonna have to bring his A game if he wants to stand a chance at defending his title. And he's off. He's building up good speed even over this rough terrain, but the worst is yet to come. Will Matera make it and secure the final Nasi Lemak, or will man and machine succumb to the grueling terrain? This is going to be a close one. I can't bear to watch. Unbelievable! He's got it! The last pack of Nasi Lemak goes to Matera in the new Mitsubishi Triton Athlete. The Mitsubishi Triton Athlete for everyday athletes.